Today, we're diving into a full review of ToolSync AI. Is it really worth your time and money, or just another overhyped AI tool? I've personally tested it, explored all the features, the pros, the cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether or not it's the right fit for you. So stick around, you definitely don't want to miss this one. And if you want to know more about the product, or grab any special bonuses, check the link in the description below. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this one. We created a never-seen-before AI technology. Create unlimited content, images, graphics, videos, chatbots, newsletter, and 100 plus more in just 3 clicks. One-click download full content, all images, all videos, theme, design template, and all other digital assets. Effortlessly customize everything with built-in world-class editors. Create and sell unlimited content, images, graphics, videos, voiceovers, chatbots, etc. on Fiverr and Upwork. Go viral on all social media platforms and generate massive traffic by inbuilt social sharing. Automate your social media accounts from tip to toe. Save countless hours and thousands of dollars on manual content creation or hiring freelancers. No complicated software or technical skills required, it is beginner-friendly and easy to use. You can start your own content, graphics, videos, voiceovers agency, and make unlimited income for lifetime with zero extra cost. Yes, you heard right. With our free commercial license, you can start an agency today and start selling unlimited content, graphics, videos, voiceovers, chatbots, etc., and start making huge income right from today. As ToolSync AI gives you lifetime access to 100 plus AI tools without any extra cost. With ToolSync AI you are in full control of your business. No monthly fees. No hosting fees. No coding skills. No technical experience. No designing skills. AI is taking over all the businesses out there. The global artificial intelligence market size is projected to expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 37.3% from 2023 to 2030. It is projected to reach $1,811.8 billion by 2030. AI has the humongous potential to contribute to the global economy. AI is expected to contribute more than the current output of India and China combined, to the world economy by 2030. AI is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, more than the current output of China and India combined. The greatest economic gains from AI will be in China, which will receive a boost of 26% rise to GDP in 2030, followed by North America, 14.5% boost, totaling to $10.7 trillion and accounting for almost 70% of the global economic impact. The global artificial intelligence market size was valued at $136.55 billion in 2022, and is expected to grow exponentially in the upcoming years, backed by mounting investments in AI technologies. By January 2023, ChatGPT hit 100 million active users, making it the fastest growing application in history. But, it's now that easy to meet such a huge demand of business automation. Each AI model and app in the market comes with a monthly plan which will drain money from your pocket within few months. Third-party apps offers limited digital assets like content, images, videos, voiceovers, chatbots, etc., and ask for more money if you want more of them. You will have to pay monthly for multiple AI apps for your multiple tasks, leading to downfall of your business very soon. You will be limited to very few AI tools and templates and won't be able to scale your business, and you won't be able to sell multiple websites. Access. Access 100 plus AI tools on one single dashboard that completely builds, runs, and grow any business including its content, images, videos, support, SEO, analytics, voiceovers, newsletters, social media automation and much more. Use or sell unlimited content, images, videos, chatbots, voiceovers, to automate your business and income. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.